Hey, what is up? This is Tyler Pratt. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to start making $100 a day on YouTube without any subscribers. And I'm going to show you how to do it without even creating your own videos. Okay, this is going to be super cool. You're going to really like this. It's going to help you get started right now making money. Now, before we do that though, make sure you hit that subscribe button right there below. Also hit that bell. That way you get notified of all the videos that I come out with to you on a daily basis. I like to come, bring videos to you every day to try to help you succeed online. These are the things that I use on a daily basis. These are the things that I've used over the past probably about 8 years online, where I've taken affiliate marketing, taken products, and I've been able to create a lifestyle for myself that allows me to do what I want, have the fun things, and do the fun things I want in life. Now, if you want to get some information on how you can start creating passive income where you don't have to worry about it, you can start creating maybe $400 or $500 every day with passive income, click on that link below in the description. You're going to get taken to a video. I'm going to show you exactly how to set that up and how you can get that up and running quickly. All right, so let's jump right into this. First thing first is we need something to sell. You got to sell something online, right? If you don't sell anything, you can't make any money. So let's find a great offer that we can sell online. I like to go to ClickBank. ClickBank is a great marketplace to sell products. And I always tell people you always want to stick with these three niches. There's wealth, health, and there's relationships, okay? If you stick with those three, you're going to do well because there's so many people out there in that industry. There's so many people that have problems that need to be solved. All you got to do is solve those problems. All right, so let's get into this. First, let's find an offer to promote. Let's jump into the health and fitness offer. And what I like to do is go up here to, it says sort by. I sort it by the gravity. That way it brings up the best offers to the front. The bigger the gravity, it's more likely you're going to get sales with that offer. So let's jump in here. This is the 2-week diet. So I'm going to grab my affiliate link here. Okay, so your affiliate link's right here. All I did was I click on promote, affiliate link pops up here, and it's right here. So this is a special link that's unique to me. When you get into ClickBank, you will have your own unique special link. And so when somebody clicks on that link, they go to the offer, they buy the offer, you're going to make a percentage of that sale. It's usually, it's going to be roughly around 80% of the total sales right there. So right here is average sales about $25. Okay, so I'm not sure, they do have some rebuilds here, which is $14.47, which is really nice because you can make a few extra bucks from that, but this is going to be your initial sale. So once we get our link, what I like to do is go over here to Google Shortener. You can use Google Shortener, you can use TinyURL, Bitly is also another one you can use. All of them are going to work. But what I like to do is just copy my link in there, and then I copy this. So what it does is it shortens down that whole ClickBank URL. It makes it look more, makes it look more presentable. And what it does is it also allows you to see the clicks on that, so you can track it. Okay, you can see, hey, if this is working, you can do that. So you could do every place that you put a link online, Google Shortener will actually track those links. Okay, which is really cool. Okay, so I just copied it to my clipboard. So now what we do is we come here to YouTube, all right? So YouTube, you got to find keywords. It's important you find keywords. And the best way to do this, and I'm going to show you a couple other ways, but there's a best way to just start off with the Google search, the YouTube search. Just go how to lose, let's say how to lose weight, okay? Look, when you say how to lose weight, see, look at a bunch of these come up. So how to lose weight fast, how to lose belly fat, how to lose weight in a week, how to lose belly fat fast, how to lose arm fat. So let's just type it, we'll go how to lose weight. Okay, and then now we see fast in a week, fast for teenagers. YouTube is telling you these are the keywords that you want to search for. These are the titles that you want to use. So I'm going to click down here. I'll find some other, some good ones here. Let's see. Let's do how to lose weight for women, how to lose weight workout, how to lose weight working out. Okay, how to lose, I like the one for women. Okay, so that's what's going to be our keyword. I mean, that's going to be our title. All right, how to lose weight, women. You can also go over here to let's see here, some of the other things that I use. Google, you can use Google AdWords to do that if you want. You can get a Gmail account if you're using YouTube. I mean, if you're using YouTube, you have a Gmail account, and Keyword Planner is going to be part of that. There's also another great one called keywordtool.io, and it will actually give you the how to lose weight here from YouTube. So you can see all of these different titles that you can use. You definitely want to have this, all of these. So it's how to lose weight for, let's say how to lose weight women. Let's see here. Where's how to lose weight women? How to lose weight. Let me just type in a W here. How to lose weight women. Okay, so you look at it, how to lose weight women is 5 words, but actually it's one keyword. The whole string of words put together is actually one keyword, because that's what people are searching for. They're actually typing in those 5 keywords, looking for something that comes up. Okay, so now what you do is you're going to go back to YouTube, and you're going to type in fitness, comma, Creative Commons after that. Okay, so fitness, comma, Creative Commons after that. Now, the reason why you put Creative Commons is there is because Creative Commons are videos that you can use wherever you want. And so what we're going to do is we're going to find videos that we can repurpose. So right here is a fitness video. It's a bikini workout motivation for women. This would be a really good one to take and repost. Now, the reason why I do that is because you look around here, it says, right in here in this license right here, it says Creative Commons Attribution License, reuse allowed. So you can reuse this video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down here. I found another great video right here. Here's another good one right here. This is 21-day fix extreme results. Okay, so this is a girl that published her videos. And if we look inside of the description here, it says license, a Creative Commons Attribution License. So it says reuse allowed. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy this link up here, okay, in YouTube, and we're going to go over to a website called Online Video Converter, and we click on Convert a Video Link URL. I'm going to paste the YouTube link right in here, and I'm going to drop down here to MP4, okay, MP4, and then you click on Start. So what will happen is it's going to process that link, and then what it's going to do is it's going to allow you to download this video. Okay, so you download this video to your computer, and now you have the actual MP4 file on your computer. So now what we do is we just go back and upload this video. So if we go back to our YouTube, we go to this little arrow right here. Okay, we're going to select a file to upload. I'm going to go find that file. I've downloaded it right here. Okay, so here is the file that we're uploading. Okay, and I'm going to do unlisted here because I don't want this to go out yet. But what I'll do is the title is going to be how to lose weight. What was our keyword? How to lose weight women, right? How to lose weight women. Women. My story here. Okay. You can add some more onto that, but how to lose weight women is the keyword you definitely want to have in there. Okay, so what you'll do is in the description, you're going to type in the same exact keyword. Okay, you type in how to lose weight for women, and then what you can do is take your Google shortener over here. Here's the link to your ClickBank offer. Copy this, go back here. Now, if we look at this shortener here, and if we click on it, it goes, oh, you know what? Let's not use Google Shortener. Let's go to tiny URL. Okay, so tiny URL. Let's go back to where are we at here? Wait, let's go to shortener here. Let's grab my link, tiny URL. Okay, we're going to put it in here. All right, so now what we have is tiny URL is created. Let's copy this link right here. Okay, so this is going to be our new link. Don't use Google. For some reason, Google's not allowing ClickBank offers in there, so we'll just scratch that. There we go. So here's the, you noticed how it redirects from tiny URL to this? It goes right into our affiliate offer. Okay. So let's drop this out, and now let's go back to our video. How to lose weight for women. And then you could say something like, click here now. Put your link right there. Okay. So then the next thing you want to do though is you want to, if you're using there's a free plugin called vidIQ. This is a Chrome extension. If you use vidIQ, then what you can do is you can come down here and you can grab all the keywords inside of this video right here. Now, why would you want to do that? Well, this video is actually targeting specific keywords in here. And you could use all of these to, get into these keywords. Or what you could do is just go to how to lose weight women. All right, I'm going to grab this first one here. Best ways to lose weight. Let's see what kind of keywords they have. Okay, so they have no tags for this video. They need my marketing course. Okay, so let's grab this one here, see what they got going on here. All right, here's a bunch of video tags right here. Okay, so video tags, right in here, you can copy. I just click on this little button right here, and it copies them. So what I do is come back over here. Let me take out these. Take these out. This out. This out. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste. There we go. So I just pasted all of those tags right into my video here. Okay, so then you could, if you wanted to create a custom thumbnail, you can, or you could just let YouTube create one from the videos itself, which could work. You could create one, a video thumbnail using Canva or Snappa if you wanted to use your own thumbnail, but right now you can just use the one that they give you. So once your video is uploaded, then all you have to do, you could go out and start promoting it. If you wanted to go out and start getting backlinks, you can go to SEO Clerk. Okay, you go SEO Clerk, and you could type in, let's do social signals. Okay, so social signals will give your video a jump. Okay, so then allow you to get into search engines, allow you to get into YouTube. So here's a bunch of, for $5, Magnum SEO, 10,000 backlinks, 5,000 signals. Okay, that's a lot. It might be a little overkill on that, but you could give it a shot. Here's 200 drip feed social signals, SEO, high profile backlinks. I like this one really good because it's 250 drip feed social signals. So that means that it's going to slowly kind of put it out there. It's more natural. It looks better. This would be a way better. This would be a way better one to use. 101 quality natural social signals bookmarks. 101 quality for $1. That's pretty good. You could come back and maybe try this out first, and then come back and hit it with like 5,000. I tend to stay away from the real big ones like 10,000 or 5,000 because if you throw your link out there right away, it just doesn't look natural. The drip feed ones are really good because it looks more natural of links getting put out there. Okay. So there you go. That's all you have to do. So look, if you want to get some information on how you can get some passive income going, how to get a funnel going, how to start making $500 or $600 per day, click on the link below this video. It's going to be my #1 recommendation for earning income online. So if you like this video, share it with your friends, comment below. Let me know how I can help your business. This is Tyler Pratt. Hope you enjoyed that, and we will see you on the next one.